Here is a comparison between Grok and Super Grok. Grok is a better indie app, so you can just go ahead and install it to Apple Store, Play Store, or Google Play Store, depending on the device that you do. As you can see, you can snap photo, chat with friendly companions, create and edit any image, you can study with it, and has real-time use from X. On the other hand, Super Grok is the ultimate Grok chatbot upgrade. So this is just like a premium account for the Grok AI. So as you can see, it has many plans. So you can use Grok for free. There is a $30 and $300 plan. Now here's a table for a concise comparison. For model access, Grok has a limited access and lower usage caps, while Super Grok is the premium account which priority and increased access to the latest and most advanced models like Grok 4 and Grok 4 Heavy. The next one is the key capability. For Grok, it has real-time searching, image generation, Aurora model, and witty, unfiltered personality. While on Super Grok has an extended context and superior reasoning and has a Grok Imagine text to video. Last is the audience. For Grok, it has available to X or Twitter Premium Plus subscribers or as a standard basic tier. For Super Grok, it has a standalone AI subscriptions that is good for professionals and researchers. Now, if you want just to enjoy some video editing or some simple AI educational, then you can go for Grok. But if you are a professional and a researcher and wanted to have a more premium results of your works, then you can go ahead and install or avail a Super Grok plan.